Hi everybody, welcome to the Bhaskar Sports. Today we are going to do in the part of the yoga asanas, Yogic Kriya, Sat Kriyas, Yogic Kriyas are there, Sat Kriya. That means 6 Kriyas are there. The first one we are going to present is my friend and yoga instructor, Munisarao Garu. Today we are going to show you what is the Neti, Jalaneti and Sutraneti. Jalaneti and Sutraneti. Now Yogic Kriya, it's very good for mainly in this season, in this winter season. By help of the yoga instructor, everybody can do it, this one. Okay, let's come to that. To perform the Jalaneti, it is a part for having this water, you are filling the water, and it is the nozzle of this part, and this is the light hot warm water is mixed with salt. Lightly you have to mix the salt. The warm water become ordinary. It should become ordinary. This now you have to fill this part. This is glass slightly. You have to fill completely. It is the position. See, by it's come. Yeah. So now you first keep the right nostril. It come back to another nostril. While taking this kriya, you have to take the breath with mouth. Breathe in, breathe out, exhale. Inhale should be only in mouth. Just to keep the right nostril, that water should come from the other nostril. So you have to, everybody, you do it with a practitioner people and the yoga instructor. You are not supposed to do it alone, because it's the advantage. Many advantages are there. The mainly the sinus, the people who are having the problem, sinus problem and cough, cold, every weekly once you can perform this one. But when you're mixing the water and salt, it should be very light, and hot water should become cool, and you have to see that it should be completely ordinary water. It should not be hot. So this is the process. Now the water is coming from the left nostril. Now afterwards clean the nostril. Clean the left nostril completely. The water should come out. Water again. Left to right. Now the left nostril to right nostril. Before right nostril to left nostril. Now keeping the left nostril to leave the water from right nostril. This is called Jalaneti. Just through with water. Jal means water. Jalaneti. It's come with water. So afterwards we can have it this Sutraneti. It is a Sutraneti item. So first let us do it only with Jalaneti, with water. Water you are purifying completely. What are the toxins in our throat or in our this nostrils? It will come out. It is purified while you take, because the nostril you have to clean. The elementary valve is the nostril for our breathing, breathe out. Our respiratory system first valve is the nostril. That's why you have to clean. It's a need to clean. Almost weekly once or once in 15 days, better to clean. We have to do with the expert of the yoga teacher or yoga trainer. That also all the yoga trainers, they may not perform this one, because this is the Yogic Kriya. Yogic Kriya people with this Neti, Dhauti and all this we have to do with help of the yoga instructor, trained yoga instructor. You have to clean the vessel, the nostrils like that. The clean like the completely the water should come outside by help of by closing the other nostril, or but completely you have to take the breath with the mouth. You have to clean the complete the water should come outside. Okay, this is the Jalaneti. So this is now I am keeping with the right nostril. The water should come from our left nostril. While you're performing, our breath in breath out process should be through the mouth only. Okay, first keep this this one nostril, this wall should be keep in your right nostril. Now the left nostril to right nostril. Once you check it.
Anton, check it.
Clean your nose also properly, and afterwards take the water, gurgle and clean your throat. So next Sutra Neti. The Neti types. First one is Jalaneti, just now you have seen. Next one Sutra Neti. Sutra Neti, this is the tube, medicated tube. It will available in the surgical shop, medical shops where it's you can get it. And this is the tube for learners. For starting position you have to do. If you're getting the proper practitioner, then you can go for this type of cloth. This also can use, but only the expert only can use with the help. This also we have to put it with the help of this tube. So let us do with this. Before starting this one, you have to wash this tube with your clean water, everything, the same salt water and little warm water you have to clean properly, and see that. And while you performing, see that, because you will put your finger inside to pick up this one. That's why see the nails also should be sharpened properly. Hands also should be cleaned properly. Start. Continue. Now we will start for first right nostril. Right nostril, you have to put it on one side of this tube. A small tube, and slowly have to put inside through your right nostril, and afterwards open the mouth and get it from with the both fingers. Yeah, these are two. Just now you have to gently, very smoothly, you have to clean up and down. You have to gently clean. And once you complete it from the left side, again you have to bring with the right nostril. Once you complete left nostril or right nostril, next you have to come with the left nostril. Yes, now it's completed from this. Yes. You have to clean. Let's go for this from through left nostril. Left nostrils to the through mouth again. Again you have to bring from the mouth. Now when you are taking the mouth from mouth, when you are taking from mouth, you should take care. The fingers, everything should be clean, and it should be nails also should be sharpened. Nails should be completely, hands, nails, everything should be proper. Nails should not be while you are having this one. Yeah. With the cleaning, slowly you have to bring cleaning. This is the completely tongue.
Like a tongue clean.
Yes, like how you have to clean your tongue, and the same way you have to the throat completely. Now it's cleaning with this. Yes. Okay.
Slowly.
Slowly you have to remove from the nose one. While you are bringing, you have to take out from the nose. Outside slowly. Ready. This is the process of this. Put a water in your mouth. You have to clean it.
Garlic.
Yes. Yeah. Keep the water in your mouth and guggle the water just after complete this kriya. You have to clean the throat also while you are having that also. It is light salt we mixed, very lightly we mixed the salt. That's why it is one type of cleaning process for our throat. So it's very good asana for the people who are suffering from the sinus, cold and cough, continuously cold and cough, long term cold and cough people, and that also you have to do with the help of the trainer. The people who are having the throat problem, the thyroid and the sinus problem, continuously the cold and cough. Cold will be long period of time, the people will suffer with cold. So all these type of things, it's very good yogic kriya. This yogic kriya, once again I repeat, you have to perform with your help of the yoga trainer. So without, until unless the trainer, you are not supposed to do. It may not big problem, but better that is. Okay, thank you my dear subscribers. The people who did not subscribe, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.